Yale Real Living Lever Lock Installation.
Testing the lock's mechanical operation. Before installing the batteries, test the lock's mechanical operation. Place the thumb turn in the horizontal position. Lift up and push down on both the interior and exterior levers, one at a time, to verify that the latch is retracted by both levers in the unlocked position. Next, place the thumb turn in the vertical position. Lifting up or pushing down on the exterior lever should not retract the latch. Lifting up and pushing down on the interior lever should still retract the latch in the locked position. Finally, insert the key into the cylinder and rotate it clockwise until the thumb turn moves to the horizontal, unlocked position. If operation is not smooth for any of these procedures, review the previous steps to ensure proper installation while maintaining proper alignment of escutcheons.